Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. When Kali Yuga began, all these sages and saintly people felt how to obtain same equal merits in Kali Yuga, which previous sages achieved in Dwapara and Treta Yuga. Equal amount of merit they wanted to know. So, Kumbh Mela was about to come. All these sages walked from different parts of India to Kumbh Mela and Prayag. Prayag Raj is the king of all the holy places where Ganga, Ganges, Yamuna and Saraswati unite. In confluence of three rivers, Kumbh Mela takes place once in 12 years. So all these sages gathered there, and there's where the ashram of Bharadwaj Muni, one of the seven saints of heaven, sons of Lord Brahma who appeared from his mind, exists. So Saunaka reached to Bharadwaj one day and asked, "We are in your ashram, all facilities are very nice, everything is fine. But we want to perform 1,000-year sacrifice, a spiritual activity. We want to take a vow to perform a spiritual function for 1,000 years. Can you please tell us where we can do?" So Bharadwaj Muni replied, "Let the Kumbh Mela go, you perform austerities here, take bath in the confluence of three rivers, and then we will discuss." They remained for 40 days in Kumbh Mela and performed their austerities and vows and spiritual activities. And after Kumbh Mela passed, the Swāmī, Saunaka, reached Bharadwaj Muni. "Please tell us. Oh, you perform all your activities. Now there is nobody here. You solitarily you perform and pray to Lord Madhava, another name of Lord Kṛṣṇa. Pray to Lord Kṛṣṇa to help you. Find a place where you can perform your 1,000-year vow of spiritual activity without any disturbance, because Kali Yuga is full of disturbance. Kali Yuga means age of disturbance." So these sages performed austerities, and Saunaka was the head of them. Lord Madhava appeared. Lord Madhava appeared to them on the bank of Ganges, where Yamuna and Saraswati meet, and asked Saunaka, who was heading all the sages, "What do you want?" So the sages replied, "Seeing you, we have received everything. O Lord, you came mercifully by visualizing you. We don't need anything else, but we desire one thing. Until we depart from this world, we need to perform some austerity, penance, and for remaining pure to be with you in the spiritual world. We have seen you, we received the spiritual world, we have a guarantee that we will go back, but we are existing in this material body, therefore we need to do something so auspicious by which we do not get contaminated, so that jeopardize our benediction of going back to Godhead, which we received by seeing you, like that. Actually, it is true when you see Krishna face to face, you have everything. You don't need anything. This is true. But as long as body exists, you have to take care. Say, for example, Guru. Guru don't need to perform anything. He has performed everything. That's why he's called pure devotee. Pure devotee because he has performed the spiritual activities many previous lives and also in this life. But because he lives in the material body, he has to eat, sleep, and chant japa and perform all devotional activities as the disciples do. Similarly, when you see Lord Krishna face to face, Lord Krishna goes back and you remain. When you remain, your body is with you, you got to take care of their body and not become contaminated. Therefore, Sonaka asked Lord, please tell us a place where we can perform our 1,000-year sacrifice. The Lord released his disc weapon. Lord released his disc weapon and told, wherever this disc weapon rests, that's where is your place where you can perform your 1,000-year sacrifice, Sahasra Samamāsara. So they followed disc is moving, and behind them all these sages. Sonaka Rishi was going, and behind him there were some sages. Then other sages saw that these sages are walking behind the disc. There must be something good. Let's go. So all total became 88,000 sages. 88,000 rishis. Can you imagine that? 88,000 sages, renounced people. As a crowd behind Sonaka, going behind this disc, moving. So the disc was going in a direction and stopped in Naimiṣāraṇya, in a spot. In one spot. Nemi means stopped. Nemi means it fell. Nemi means it did not move in a spot, in a forest. It is jungle. It is a forest. That's why all these sages took shelter of that place, Naimiṣāraṇya. Nemi means discs fell, discs fall, disc fell. Lord's disc fell, that is called in Sanskrit, Nemi. Saranya means all these sages took place, shelter at that place. They built their kutiram, huts, thatched hut, ashramam, like that they built. And they also built a platform of some great sage person who will come to guide them. They also built, because without Guru you cannot go to God. You need help of a pure Guru. Guru means pure. Guru cannot be impure. Guru cannot say, I am fallen. Guru cannot have a bad background, dirty, drinking, boozing, all that. No. Guru cannot have that. Meat eating, impossible. Like that. So, that is called Naimiṣāraṇya Kshetra. In that place, they all stopped. Here, they appointed Sutta Goswami to speak Śrīmad Bhāgavatam to them. very first thing Sutta Goswami spoke. Atra te kathayishyami bhakti yuktam kathanakam sukena mama yat proktam rahasisya vicharecha. Whatever I heard from Sri Sukadeva Goswami, whom he spoke, Parikshit Maharaj he spoke to, I will speak to you same. Means Guru should not create a knowledge, a new knowledge to speak. It should pass in disciplic succession. That is the rule. I will speak to you Śrīmad Bhāgavatam, yasya sravana matrena harishittam samasrayet, by hearing which your heart will lock Lord Kṛṣṇa. Kṛṣṇa will come and sit and he will stay there forever. That is Śrīmad Bhāgavatam. Thank you very much. Radha Govind Bhagavan ki jai.